Sam. Woo! I got a motor hanging from a tree, a satellite dish, a trampoline, a 68 red Chevelle, and on the raise a little hell all night, dog fight. Some of y'all say I ain't living right, but a beans and fries, fam, but I ain't what y'all say. Cause there ain't no trash in my trailer. Though you might find an empty can of beer, no, there ain't been no trash in my trailer, oh no. Since the day I threw you out of here. Woo! I burn my trash in the trunk, sometimes I shoot my gun, I'm mud fogging, camouflaging the ball game is what I'm watching. I work hard, mow the yard, fish, hunt, knuckle scar, change the oil, plow the soil, overload the country boy. I wear a suit, shirt and stuff, and that is the one that made me tough. He told me, son, I'll be ashamed of who you are, and I family name. I'm making it proud, saying it loud, doing my thing with the country crowd. I tell you the truth and don't give a damn, but I ain't what y'all say I am. Cause there ain't no trash in my trailer. Though you might find an empty can of beer, no, there ain't been no trash in my trailer, oh no. Since the day I threw you out of here. Come on, burn on the trash here for me, boy. No, there ain't no trash in my trailer. Though you might find an empty can of beer, no, there ain't been no trash in my trailer, oh no. Since the day I threw you out of here. No, there's no trailer trash living here. Burning down spots around here now, Mike. Woo! Ain't no trash in my trailer. Colt, tear the shit up. I got this one. It don't take long. Well, just pass me a cold one, buddy, it's that time again. That neon sign says open, and I'm here with all my friends. So just keep on taps a flowing. First round's all me, and as long as they keep pouring them, y'all, we ain't gonna leave. Well, good God Almighty, there's a party in here. Lord mercy, I'm thirsty. Pass me a beer. Been working all day, not ready to play. I done called off my boys, and they on their way. And we ain't going home till the sun comes up. And if I'm too drunk to drive, I'll sleep in my truck. Won't be the first time, the show not the last. Got my eye on that line with a heart-shaped ass. She been looking at me since I walked through the door. My town for old Colt is whirling around the dance floor. See, she got a thing for them old cowboys, like to fight, raise hell, and make a lie. Well, just pass me a cold one, buddy, it's that time again. That neon sign says open, and I'm here with all my friends. So just keep them taps a flowing. The first round's all me, and as long as they keep pouring them, y'all, we ain't gonna leave. Well, here's the situation of mine. What took you much you came with a friend? Was just a good look. Some of these don't love it with the bottle of blood. Looking right in the eyes, a little lady, what's up? You like country boys with the southern drawl? Fish hunting fights and get fair when y'all is up. So now I might be just your type. And now what the hell, darling, I won't tell. Now me and you can eat
country. We rock boys on them kids with gun racks and mud on them. Ain't scared of nothing, don't push the button like a long-legged girl with curls and tight jeans. And they love Colt Ford, right here with chicken wings. Baby, this new country is all about me. But I love some Johnny Cash, Waylon and Willie. Respect the old school, make room for the new. Now tell me you don't know what this country boy can do. To go get a skull filled with a lot of style. Big boy so cool and make all them girls smile. So tell me what you need and I'm cold to make it happen. If things are changing, we got a country boy rapping. Holla, yeah, let me saddle up, get your money right, then you add it up. We got to go about the Lord, make it back it up. We holla, yeah, let me saddle up. We holla, yeah, let me saddle up, get your money right, then you add it up. We got to go about the Lord, make it back it up. We holla, yeah, let me saddle up. When they talking about the South, call it dirty, baby. We can break them cheese grits, biscuits, and gravy. We say, sir, man, if we don't give a damn, if just like it's not, we gon' hold our spot. It could be Crown of Cocoa, maybe Jack and Sprite, a case of Coors Light, and it's on tonight. We talking about a party down on Johnson Lawn, late night country club, but we don't mean no harm. That's just how we do. So tell me what you want, what you don't say, the real, still most on. Keep it banging till the sun come up. Hear the rooster crow, then it's time to go. It's got horses that need begging and cow and need tennis. I do what it takes to keep them girls grinning. Every girl crazy about a whole-legged boy in tight jeans and boots and rope rides and shooting.
All right, there we go. What'd it take? 8-10 minutes, maybe. It don't take long. Don't be scared of it. Just give it a shot. I think I pretty much covered what you need to do the basics of it. Yeah, if you're doing something that's really big, you're going to want to use a bigger block, of course. Something more like this one that I've got here. But give it a shot. Have some fun with it. I'm the Woo. Check us out at the Roadstar Clinic. Y'all have a good day.